How to delete messages on Microsoft Teams. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, click on Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type in Microsoft Teams. Once you find its under base match, click on Open button to access Microsoft Teams application. From the left panel, simply choose Chat, and before that, make sure that you have signed into your particular account. In order to delete messages on Microsoft Teams, simply you need to choose a particular message that you want to delete. Then here you will get three dots. Click on three dots to get more options. Here you got the delete button. Select delete and the message has already been deleted. If you want to undo the message, you can click the undo button and the message has already been undone. Similarly, you can also click on other messages like this and click delete button and delete the message. So in this way, you can easily delete messages on Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.